Alright guys, so I have a bumpy right there. What I'm trying to calculate is a figure that I will give you, and you need to create 100% oil instead of perfume. So how you get that figure, for example. So let's say if I say I need 100 ml of a molecule or an oil. So I'm using 100 ml in 100% oil. I'm not making perfume version of it. I'm making the actual compound. So within the compound, one of the component or the oil is 100 ml quantity. So I say another a beaker, I'm making a perfume at 30% concentrate. So I use 70% or 700 ml of the alcohol. Remaining 30% is my compound, the oil compound. So to make the oil compound, I need to make small quantities of all the components that will make the compound. Okay, so how you calculate when I say 30% of 100 ml DEP? So 30%, you multiply 100 by 30 or 0.3. One way of doing it, easiest way to remember is that if you want to take 30% of anything, you multiply that figure with 0.3. So you get the actual figure, how much quantity or the volume you need. So in this case, the DEP, I need 100 ml and I need 30% because I'm using a perfume version of it. So you will get 100 multiplied by 0.3, you get 30 ml. Now, other way around, if I tell you it's 30 ml DEP, how you get to the 100% of that when you're making just the oil, not the perfume version of it? So what you do, and this is the tricky part, you take the figure. For example, in this case, this is 30% from 100. So 30 ml is that I'm using, and you want to make it into 100% oil. So you do this calculation one time, and that is, you multiply the figure that you have in hand, for example 30 ml, multiply by 100 and divide it by 30. So it's 30%. So what you will get is 100 ml. So that's I'm going to check again after, but most likely this is how you're going to do it, right? But by the end of this video, I'm going to do more calculation, and it's just getting back to the whole figure. I'm a little bit confused, but I will do this calculation many times. But at this time, I'm just focusing on the perfume, right? So enough mathematics, and now what I'm going to do is to add some color to our alcohol. So I'm going to make aquatic perfume. The first thing I'm going to use is a bit of yellow color. It's a food grade color, so don't use too much, these kind of they will leave stains if you use too much. So I'm going to make a special kind of orange. The next thing I need is a very slight touch of red. That will make it into orangey. See, sometimes you have an issue with mixing. So you can see the color is it's like gold color. And how do you change that to aqua? It's very simple. When you mix yellow and blue together, you get greenish, aquatic. But if you use too much, then it will become darker green. So I'm going to just use touch of that. and you can see it's turning into aquatic blue, slightly. Just use one drop. Oh, I used too much, but yeah, that's fine. I have a lot of room here because the other molecules will come in, and I'll balance that out. Right, so things happen. Sometimes I use a bit more color than I anticipated. Okay guys, so the next thing we need is the formula thing, right? So I need 27 ml of DEP. $27 ml of DEP. The next thing I need is CUMARIN powder, and for that I need 20 grams. You can use the CUMARIN in liquid form as well, but you need to pre-mix it, and then you can mix with DEP. But then be careful how much quantity you use to of the DEP you use. So what I do, I use the powder itself. So this is 24 grams. Let it mix. Okay, so next thing I need is DIHYDROMERCENOL, and we need 21 ml. I'm going to give 4 because the lengthy formula, so I'm going to use 4 at a time, so that'll make it faster. So DIHYDROMERCENOL 21 ml, linalool 15 ml, BACTANOL 15 ml, Lyryl 15 ml. It's not Lyryl, it's actually Lyryl substitute.